In today's video, I will walk you through how to check your wallet balance on Bitfinex. Checking your wallet balance on Bitfinex is a quick way to see how much cryptocurrency and fiat currency you currently have available in your account. Your wallet balances are organized by wallet type, making it easy to monitor your funds and understand where your assets are stored. To begin, access your Bitfinex account dashboard. From the main navigation menu, locate and open the Wallets section. This is where Bitfinex displays all of the wallets associated with your account. Once you're on the Wallets page, you'll see a list of your available wallet types, such as your exchange wallet and derivatives. Each wallet is designed for different purposes, so make sure you're viewing the one that contains the assets you want to check.
Inside the selected wallet, you'll find a list of all the supported currencies that currently have a balance or are available in your account. Next to each asset, you'll be able to view the available balance. This shows the amount that is currently available for trading, transferring, or withdrawing, depending on the wallet you're viewing. You may also see additional balance information, such as the total balance or other wallet details. If you have multiple cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies, simply scroll through the list to review each balance individually. The wallet page updates to reflect your current holdings, making it a convenient place to monitor all of your assets in one location. Regularly checking your wallet balances helps you stay informed about your account and ensures you always know how much is available for your next transaction. And that's how to check your wallet balance on Bitfinex.